Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video where we're going to talk about and guide you for better grooming. We all know shaving can sometimes be very problematic if not done in the right way. It causes razor bumps, irritation, ingrown hair, redness and discomfort. Razor bumps are basically small irritated bumps on the skin. These are caused due to improper shaving routine where strands of hair curl back into themselves and grow in the skin. These further cause irritation, scarring and pimples. With this video, I'm here to protect your skin from all of these issues and provide you with a comfortable shaving routine that will not irritate your skin. First of all, prep your skin before a shave. Trust me, it doesn't take any more preparations than your date night though. Before grabbing that razor, hydrate your skin. Wash your face with warm water and a mild face wash to make sure that the hair gets softened and the dirt gets removed for a better shave. Use an anti-acne face wash with ingredients like activated charcoal and antioxidants to remove dirt, oil and unclog pores, resulting in clear skin. Exfoliate your skin. Yes, you need that for the perfect shave. Lightly massage your face with a face scrub to get rid of dead skin cells and any ingrown hair. To ensure a good face scrub, here is what I look for. Coffee bean extract, walnut shell powder, honey and kaolin clay are very useful ingredients that have anti-aging properties to improve circulation and also help to repair skin from UV damage resulting in bright skin. Third, lather up some shaving gel. Leave it on for a minute on your skin and let it soak in. Choose a good quality razor. There are a lot of different quality razors in the market today, but I always go with this one because more number of blades lead to a better shave. The one I am having is the razor with ultra sharp and ultra thin blades, along with a pivoting head and lubricating strip that gives you a closer than the closest shave without the risk of nicks and cuts. This results in a comfortable and irritation-free shave. Make sure to check the sharpness of the blades before shaving. Blunt blades cause nicks and cuts, whereas sharp blades won't. You might be wondering what is the right direction to shave, along or against. Well, actually, hair grows in all directions, including swirls. It's recommended to shave along the grain, that is, in the direction of the hair growth. Step 6. Don't forget the post-shave care. It is very important for your skin. And guys, here's a tip for you. Always go in for an alcohol-free aftershave balm, as alcohol dries your skin out. Instead, look for the one that contains soy extract, willow bark extract, argan oil and vitamin E. The composition of these ingredients adequately moisturizes as well as soothes skin. It will also avoid the irritation and itching of any kind of post-shave and moreover will provide a cooling sensation. That's it! You will get that perfect shave from all of these steps without any razor bumps or ingrown hair. If you have any more questions, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. And men, feel good, stay sharp. Stay tuned for more videos. See you soon.